How to see Roblox purchase history on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then click on search bar and search roblox.com and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on the Roblox sign at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on My Transactions, which is the second option in here. Then you'll find all your transactions in here. To see your purchase history, click on Type of Transaction and then click on Purchases. After that, you will find all your purchase history in here. And this is how to see Roblox purchase history on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.